Are you facing issues while logged into your computer or smartphone device? Do you forget the password? You must be struggling to retrieve your lost passwords, right? Visit your nearby iTech Xpress store. It is one of the leading smartphone, iPhone, and computer repair service stores in Covina. They are well known for offering full service to recover your password and restore the functionality of your device. They have a team of skilled and experienced technicians who can help you to quickly recover passwords from Windows PCs, laptops, phones, and other smart devices. Their guaranteed password recovery service is available at competitive prices. So, why wait? Contact them at 626-777-4747 to schedule your appointment. For more further details, browse through itechexpressinc.com.